channel, Golden Honey, and today I'm going to show you how to use an accordion sunshade protector for your vehicle. Alright, let's go. Alright, so now we're in the car. You're going to need your sunshade for your window. Do not open this outside the car. You want to open it while you're in the car. Alright, so we're going to open it up with the crease opening to the rearview mirror, which is going to be here. It dips in. You're going to slide it in. Have the crease here. Open it. Once you got it on there, you're going to take the sun visor and you're going to put it all the way back on both sides.
Make sure you got it flat and flush.
Yeah, make sure it's flat and flush on both sides, and voila. You have, it's not perfect, but voila, you have your sun protector on here now. So when you leave your car, you come back to it, it will not be hot. It'll be nice and cool, and it'll save you money on your gas, having to heat your car, or have to cool your car down and all that good stuff.
It'll save you on maintenance too, because the AC, you don't want to have to work as hard.
Yes, indeed. So, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and see you next time. Bye.